यूपी फैल्कन्स और वास्को वाइपर्स मैच नंबर 17 युवा ऑल स्टार्स चैंपियन.
That since I'm here, right here in the Vandana Kataria Indoor Stadium, but the UP been doing good. I'll mention who that is, but before that, in the commentary box, Ashish Bhatti starts off from that left and goes straight, not towards Sachin Krishna. Wow, that is interesting because the only defender that they'll have to be wary of is Sachin Krishna on that right corner, because left corner comes across, commits the error. Praveen Sispal is the first man to go out on the bench here, Navneet. So much more effort that has not gone in vain, as there was that first raid from Bhargav Mandrekar. Akar Mandrakar chale gaye, that's what I probably want to say, because he should have tried for a bonus at least, doesn't do it. Kunal Bhatti now, his first raid of the match, and there you see, left cover comes in, tie hold, and he's been pinned down. Wonderful work. Yeah, it is not the way that he would have expected to start. Gaurav Rajbir from that left cover. Navneet, this is what I was trying to say. Even in the pre-show, a little time that I got to, actually go ahead and dissect that one. Sachin Krishna on that right corner needs support from the left cover. Piyush Kumar, isn't it? That's really, really important. But also, as the very important factor for the Vasco Vipers is there. The left cover once again. Gaurav Rajbir, that's a second tackle point. Tie hold on Sadar. See, he needs to understand. Gaurav Rajbir has started off nicely as a left cover. As you said, Navneet, Jeeti ek hi rasta hai. That is the aage ka rasta always. Anti-block doesn't come into good effect. Sachin Joginder will be pinned down from that right cover. Nice block. The anti-block try was there, yes, but he does not turn towards the lobby. That was a problem.
देखिए कैसे फ्रंटल ब्लॉक आया और उस फ्रंटल ओहो
Fact to tell it to Yogesh Nagar, because he will not like it, but that's a fact. Kunal Bhatti and Duo Rage doesn't go well, and now Sahil in a Duo Rage, Navneet.
क्योंकि आपने एक डुओ डाई रेड की बात की, मैं एक अगेन हमारे जो मैनेजमेंट है उनसे एक सवाल करना चाहूंगा कि आज तक के युवा के इतिहास में सबसे बेहतर.
Yeah, that's a good question. That will probably take some time, but the do or die rate of Kunal Bhatti, every time he goes in, gets tackled out. That's been a problem, and he doesn't learn from that mistakes at all. And now, nice ankle hold. Ashish Bhatti is struggling. He's struggling holding his knees. He wanted to jump over Praveen Sispal, and the physio partner will come running in. Oh, that is not looking good. That's really not looking good. He was under humongous pain the moment he fell down. It is already a bandaged big left knee that is there, and that has been a problem. Now physio partner will of course come in and take a look at that. Sai Institute of Allied Sciences. He's limping. That is not looking good. Ashish Bhatti. It is not good.
UP Falcons.
UP Falcons now want to have a chat, and let's look at that injury. What happened there was he just kind of inner twisted his knee. Already bandaged. Should be okay. He was under a big pain. Should be okay is what I really pray. Let's listen to Jagdeep now, the Vasco Vipers' coach.
hit sixes.
But I'll tell you what, when you speak of that man, Ashish Narwal, our physio partner always were busy. Of course, in this Yuva All-Star Championship, we've got Sai Institute of Allied Sciences as a physio partner who will take care of Ashish Bhatti as Kunal Bhatti tries to go and goes and tape. That's a wrong time. That's a wrong time for the tackle. I think there is another defender who's also stepped out of the end line. The end line umpire is lifting her hand up, and she says there's another defender who was going out as well. Yeah, alongside with Gaurav Rajbir.
Jason number 4.
Yeah. And Sachin Krishnan, in fact, is it? No.
4 and 45
Sachin Joginder goes out. Right. Sachin goes in out of the end line. And Gaurav Rajbir, the problem for him was he did not get the angle right for the ankle hold or the thigh hold, Navneet. Because Kunal Bhatti was rushing away towards the lobby.
और कुछ खास फिलहाल किया नहीं, empty handed वापस लौटे हैं अर्जुन.
Yeah, nice connection, Navneet. The Arjun and the Prashra, but here Gaurav Mandrekar needs a connection because this is a do or die raid. He's going against Ayush Kumar. Ankle hold attempted on the reverse. Bonus plus one.
Plus 1 point.
Wonderful, wonderful raid here from Bhargav.
33 out.
Wow.
मेन काम है उसे तो करना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सही कहा आप. That is what I keep saying to all the kabaddi players. And look at this, 97 raid points. Kicks, first raid point for the Yuva All-Star
Vasco
champion
Vipers,
that we have
number
seen
6
him in the division rounds. And the Prince, yeah, no bonus there. And now Prince Daya, since he's got a little advantage, can he do that is a big question. Can he go out for more? Just tries to go in deeper against Arjun Sirohi. Nothing there. Goes to Navneet Nagar. Escapes Bangalore. 2 points. Prince Daya is on a roll. That's 100 raid points for Prince Daya. Wow. What a find. What a talent. And what way to come back in the match in the Yuva All-Stars Championship here. Prince Daya. 3 raid points in 2 and makes it 100 raid points for that young lad.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल.
On the backdrop, but he was not allowed to come in because the raid had begun. And now, look at this, UP Falcons, last man standing, and he's been dashed out. Gaurav Rajbir does really well on the block. All out for UP
Bonus
Falcons.
point.
Vasco
UP
Vipers
Falcons,
lead it
raid
up.
out, 1 plus 2, 3 points.
What a match.
Vasco Vipers,
Navneet,
all out. UP
This
Falcons.
is the turnaround that it's been his issue. It's been his problem. We'll get that numbers very soon. As Prince Daya comes in probably for the last raid of the first half. What a half that it's been. Attempts the bonus against Ayush Kumar. Looks confident. He's that flubbery kind of a nature. I really like it. But this time the thigh hold is strong from Navneet Nagar. Has he got the bonus?
Raid
Hang on.
out, 1
No
point.
bonus as
UP
well.
Falcons.
No bonus as well.
The main topic, Naveen.
Half time.
I
Change the
so
board.
find your not just technical insights but the strategy insights that could have helped the team. और ये जो 4 point का difference
Come on in. But they will bring him if it's needed. Bhargav Mandrekar now. See, this is what I was telling Navneet. Vasco Vipers will raid first in the first raid of the second half. Imagine if Prince Daya would have been there. Nice back kick. Even though from Bhargav Mandrekar, I would have really wished Prince Daya to add
1
more
point.
Mary
Vasco
to the
Vipers.
Vasco
Jersey
Vipers.
number 6 out.
And you know what? He was not happy, is Vivek Kumar, because he did not go back. And he was saying, why did Navneet Nagar go back so soon? And look at him. Look at him. What was he trying to say? Come.
way to win. आपको वो कछुए और रैबिट वाली कहानी तो पता ही है. तो क्या
Yeah.
आपको लगता है कि मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड में कछुआ अभी भी रेलेवेंट है?
हो
Let us
सकता है.
say 3 points.
हो सकता है.
Vasco
लेकिन
Vipers,
this is a
jersey
super
number
raid.
13
Wow.
and 15 out.
This is massive. We were trying to say what Ashish Bhatti looks like, but I'll tell you what. This is the Vasco Vipers going and stinging the Falcons. And Sachin Joginder has just made sure 3 of the defenders go off. First the Dubki, then the turn, then the touch of the right corner. Definite India one-star moment of the match, no doubt at all. Because they are extending that lead. And it was...
यहाँ 24 और 17 का स्कोर फिर से एक बार यहाँ पे सचिन रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं. देखिए 4 का घर का माना जाता है कि ये मुश्किलात का सबब बन सकता है और सचिन का जो नंबर है वो भी 4 है. 4 अगेंस्ट 4.
Correct. लेकिन
Raider out.
4 हो गए
1 point.
धर.
UP
That's what I'll
Falcons.
probably say. Navneet Nagar has been inducted in. You see, when you commit an error, jokes apart, when there is something that's not gone wrong or gone right, it's the team effort. Whether it's your mistake or the team's, but here the mistake is definitely
2
Sispal
points. UP
coming in from
Falcons,
that left
jersey number
corner.
7 and 54
Praveen
out.
Sispal came in. Gaurav Rajbir agreed for the support. In fact, that's Bharav Mandrekar. And Sachin Krishnan is not happy, saying, why did you go? You're my main raider. Why did you go for the support? Yeah, there you see. And Kunal Bhatti gets... oh, he comes along. Prince Daya. But if we can have eyes on probably our Gilly. We've got some nice stories. A falling and touch attempted from Prince Daya. Nothing there. Goes back right in time. It's a neck block. It's a shoulder and a neck block. Oh, that was brutal. That was strong. But jersey pulling
Raider
also
out.
is what was been
Bonus point.
called for
Vasco
from
Vipers,
Prince
Raider
Daya.
out,
But
1
he has
point.
to accept it. He
UP
will go
Falcons.
back. But that was a brutal tackle. He's standing next to me. Hans Kumar is the man inside this mascot dress. Back hole. Prince Daya has to go out.
Raider out.
Nice back
1
hold
point,
on that occasion.
UP Falcons.
There from the right corner. Good work, Ayush Kumar. But yeah, as we can get some time, of course, as there's Gilly right here. But Allahabad was a fast food preparer. He used to prepare golgappas, he used to prepare burgers, French fries, and he used to also prepare all the evening snacks, eateries with his mother and father at Allahabad. But yeah, due to family needs, he's shifted here. And to Vasco Vipers' need, Gaurav Rajbir has a double ankle hold on Kunal Bhati. Good tackle point, Navneet.
Vasco Vipers.
Oh yeah.
He's practicing to be a hairstylist. And that barber shop is just right opposite to our stadium here in the Vandana Kataria Indoor Stadium. Across the road, there's a big men's parlor. He's getting trained under that owner to be a hairstylist. And he's just a teenager. As Prince Daya turns around, has a hand.
Vasco Vipers. Jersey number
Brilliant
15
touch
out.
on Rajdeep. Oh, yeah, not deep enough for Hansar Gilly. I should be saying it's such an inspirational story. He just celebrated his, I think, 19th birthday, I think he was telling me, on 26th. Okay. And he's practicing to be a hairstylist to support his family, and he's the only son. He's the only son and the only Raider on the mat as of now for the UP Falcons. Arjun Sirohi kicks Sachin Krishna.
तो ह्यूमन बीइंग तो रहता ही है और उसके पीछे रहते हैं कहानी, उसके पीछे रहते हैं सपने. सपने छोटे या बड़े नहीं होते, सपने सपने होते हैं. आपको क्या चाहिए? और आप लगातार हंस कुमार के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि वो बनना चाहते हैं हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, और मुझे हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट से बहुत पसंद है. मैं जब भी जाता हूँ मैं चाहता हूँ अच्छा हेयर स्टाइल मुझे कोई करके दे, लेकिन यहाँ पर अच्छे तरीके से डिफेंस में पकड़ा गया है भार्गव को.
Ah, yes. Gaurav Bansal now is limping. Our Sai Institute of Allied Sciences, I'll tell you what, our physio partner has a little busy day today. Nice double ankle hold. Ayush Kumar doesn't let go of the grip. Brilliant work.
चांस नहीं होता है.
Ah, true. Kunal Bhati now. Just 4 on the defense. Vasco Vipers need to understand that they should not go to attack him, because there is only Prince Daya, only one Raider left on the mat. And there is Gaurav Rajbir. I told him not to attack him. I told not to attack.
1 point.
Gaurav Rajbir doesn't understand.
Jersey number 45 out.
And anticipation from Kunal Bhati. Look at the jump, Navneet, on the escape. Against Gaurav Rajbir. Yeah, this is the one that we are talking about. There you go. India one-star moment, because that was a
1
time
point. Vasco Vipers.
where you
Jersey
need. He says to Prince Daya where to attack, exactly in that right cover position and left cover. He asks him not to go towards left corner because Navneet Nagar is there, but this is ease my trip, super tackle situation. Kunal Bhati, he loves such things. There is Sachin Krishnan, and on the left flank they've got Praveen Sispal. 2 strong corners. Oh, look who goes in! Look who goes in! Prince Daya! Out of everybody, he's my trip, super tackle. This is Prince at his best. Kunal Bhati does not expect Prince Daya to come in for the ankle hold. And look what the biggest Viper has done. He's stung the biggest Falcon and Yogi Cam. Yogesh Nagar Saab is unhappy. Why did you go there? Marunga tere ko pakad ke. That's what he says. Yeah, absolutely correct. Oh, look at this for a tackles. India one-star moment of the match. For sure. Because 2 points and Prince Daya is turning.
Oh, absolutely. 1 मिनट का खेल शेष और आवाज हमें आई है हर्षित की भी कि 1 मिनट 52 सेकंड बचे हैं. 35 और 36 का स्कोर. प्रिंस यहाँ पर रेड लगाने के लिए आए. क्या वो कवर होगा या नहीं होगा ये देखना पड़ेगा. आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे करते हुए लगातार प्रिंस यहाँ पे 10 रेड पॉइंट्स उन्होंने कमा चुके हैं. ओह, गलती हुई. कैजुअलिटी वहां पर बन गए हैं कैजुअलनेस के कारण, और स्कोर हो जाएगा 36-36.
Safe enough. No, hang on. Time's gone. Time's gone. It's a tie match. There was 2.
36 और 36 कहते हैं 36 का आंकड़ा. जी